Okay, we are going to jump right into month 11, and this is going to be for February of 2024. All right, let's jump right into the analytics. So as far as comparing to January, I believe had lower views, better watch time hours, and I believe better subscribers. So I think I'm down in general. Now, why are my views up? My views are up because I had some shorts do decent this month. If you notice here, I've got all these videos, blah, blah, blah. And then here I've accidentally got 5 that went live. That was a scheduling mistake there, obviously. That was definitely not intentional. So let's go ahead and jump into some better details. Okay, so here in the content, you can just quickly look at my shorts versus videos. I mean, that's new viewers, returning viewers, shorts again. Subscribers all came from shorts, published content. It says 6 and 5. I don't feel like that's right though, because I think it was just like I had some whoopses. So I think maybe some of those shorts were published previously and then they got moved or something weird happened. But if you look at my views here, way too many views from shorts. That is not my ideal. Let's check on the videos first. I don't think there's a ton to see here, but let's go ahead and jump into it. So just overall on my videos, average percent viewed, 17%. Watch time, 3.7 hours for a whole month. That's really, really bad. And I need more hours than that in a single day. And that's what I got for the whole month. So not good. Views, not good. Impressions, whatever. Click-through rate, 1.3, not great. Average view duration. I don't tend to worry about this number as much because if the video is 5 minutes versus 20 minutes, I don't know if that's worth it or not, or if that's a good stat. Percentage will tell you better. Now let's go ahead and look into the actual content itself. Okay, so I believe right now I'm sorted by views. Let's go ahead and just add that average percent viewed. And let's add that watch time that I like to see. Just sorting by views here. Okay, so this one went live February 1st. It was my best video and it got 86 views. So the watch time was an hour. So that average percentage viewed, not good. This is bringing me down. That is terrible. People were clicking off for whatever reason. And then let's see, like click-through rate, 2%, not terrible. And again, that view duration of 40 seconds is low because that percentage is low. So let's look at the second video. That is, again, my old video. When to start wearing maternity clothes. This video won't die and I love it. So again, second best watch time hours. It looks like over 50% viewed. That is amazing, which it only got 23 views, but I published other videos this month and this beat them. So an old video still is beating them, which is crazy. And again, that click-through rate, 5.3%. That is doing so well. Decent average view duration as well. This 8 practical tips, it's next. So it got a good percentage like viewed and average like duration, but the click-through rate was kind of low and the views. I wasn't getting people to the video, but the people that did click the video stuck around, if that makes sense. Same with this one here. This is an old video from January. Those that watched it, watched a lot of it. I mean, 5 minutes, like 62%. That is great, but it only got 4 views. So for the actual month, this month is February. Here's one of them. Here's another one. This Moby Wrap one. It got 8 views. That's so bad. Okay, this one, improving table manners. It got 5 views. And packing for the hospital. I think those were the main videos. I might be missing one, but they didn't perform well. Let's go ahead and check out what happened with shorts. Okay, so we got a big blip here. And then on shorts, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 4 more. So like 10, but it doesn't act like I published 10. So again, I think there was just some scheduling issues there, technical difficulties. So overall for shorts, people were getting pretty far through my shorts in general. I got a lot of watch time, but again, that watch time doesn't help with my long form watch time. So that's a bummer. My views, 17 likes. I'll take that. It's got to help my channel, right? And I got 3 subscribers. I believe that was all my subscribers for this month. Let's go ahead and look at the content itself. Okay, so I had one short that definitely performed the best. It got over 1,000 views, which I like to see. That's very exciting. And it was basically keeping stuff out of the baby crib. It was a 12-second short. I do like to note that. I'm curious for shorts. I don't really care about the watch time, but we'll do the average percentage viewed. I am curious on that. So this one, because it's so short, people will watch it accidentally more than once sometimes before they swipe. So it got over 100%. This 10 daycare warning signs was a minute long. It only was getting about 44% viewed. Matching toddler plates. Now this one was a lot of clips, so it might have been easy for people to accidentally rewatch again. So over 150%. And then the 6-month-old milestones, over 150%. So I had some really good percentages. Views, I had that major standout. I like the likes. That makes me feel good that somebody took the time to like something. And then that big performing one got me 1 sub. Down here, the 6-month milestone got me 1 sub. And then direct breastfeeding can be more simple. It wasn't amazing as far as the percentage viewed, but it did get me another subscriber. That's cool. So overall, when it comes to shorts, I'd say I had 1 that did great, and then I had 3 that were like good for me and for my standards. I do think it's interesting to see how really short shorts versus like a longer short does. So again, like a 12-second, a minute, an 8-second, an 8-second. I used to make mine longer, more like 30 to 45 seconds, and now I'm making some that are more like 8 to 10 seconds and just testing that for that attention span and seeing if I can get good view duration to then maybe push my short out more versus people swiping away so quickly. So kind of always testing things. I don't put too much thought and effort into shorts because at the end of the day, I'm trying to get monetized via long form content. Okay, so overall that's February. I would say my numbers are down from January, and hopefully March can get us back on track. If you want to check out March, it will be popping up on the screen now, and you can find it linked in the description. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day.